Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So my name is Thomas, I'm a Notion consultant from Malaysia. So lately I've been trying various ways to kind of use Notion API. So today I want to showcase a use case where you can sync your Notion to YouTube. So all the videos, the view counts, the comments, you can get from YouTube directly to Notion. So this is a one-way sync. What it means is that you only get data from YouTube, goes to Notion. So here you can see all my YouTube videos in one pages. So for now, my idea is that I just schedule it to sync every day. So once per day, you just trigger the automation and you'll get all the data. So you update all the view counts. So there's also a two-tiered kind of like sync method. So the idea is that we don't want to kind of sync all the videos constantly, right? It's a bit wasteful. So how it's being set up is that for every week, you'll only sync videos that's 14 days, the latest ones. And then every week, once per week, you automatically sync all the videos so you can get the latest stats that you want. So this is probably a bit more, I don't know what's the word used, eco-friendly maybe? Yeah. So basically kind of see this is all the videos here. If you expand it, you can even see like the descriptions, the published dates, the video IDs. If you want to select the video as well, if I just click here, right, you can see that it just links to the video itself. So whatever changes you make here, it won't make any difference because this is one-way sync, because I don't want to avoid any changes as well to YouTube. So the idea is that here you just get all the information in one place. So what I find particularly helpful as well is that, so I have this command board where I just plan my videos. This is not the end of the video. So today I'm gonna showcase how you can actually use this for yourself. So for today's template that I'll be sharing with you, so it will be free of charge. So in the future, I'm not sure, maybe I would like to, like, if you want to support me, there's some options, or maybe there's like a paid templates for my other automations, since this takes a little bit more time. But essentially how it works is that I'm using this tool called Replit. So Replit is a bit similar to Notions where you can actually publish templates. So there's a templates for this code. You can see I'll be sharing the link in the description down below. So the idea is that once you access it, you can go to this remix template, and then you can see there's a code as well. Basically, yeah, this code is written in Python, and then you just click remix. So it asks you to kind of use your name. So I'm going to just do this as an example here. So you can select public or private, but if you're using the free plan, so you can only use public. So don't worry about it. I'm just going to show you the public as well, right? The only difference is that if you're using public, means that people can actually duplicate your templates however you want. So, but if you're just using it for yourself, that's fine. So once you log in here, so there are a bunch of codes here. Don't worry about it. So the main thing that you need to change in order to use this template is you can go to this left side here, open files. So sync state JSON. So this one is basically just kind of let the code knows like anytime whenever you run a code, like when was the last time you run it. So it just kind of knows and then decide the logic into between like a full sync or a partial sync. So if your first time, you can just kind of remove this, that's it. But for my case, I'll just keep it for here. And then another thing you want to do is you want to go to here. So this is all tools here, select all tools, type secrets. So this is the API keys that you will need. So you have the YouTube API key, Notion database ID, Notion token, and then YouTube channel ID. So how you can create this is I'll share the link description of the video below as well on the step-by-step guide on how you can do it. But essentially for YouTube API key, you need to go to something called YouTube console to kind of get it. And then database ID is actually, I won't show you in this video because you expose my database ID, but there will be a guide as well, and then token as well, which you need to generate in Notion itself. And then lastly, there's a YouTube channel ID. This can be found in your YouTube studio. So yeah, once you have the value, just pop in here and then you'll click run. Oh wait, before that, you need the database. So I will also be providing a database template for you, which is the one that I show in the video. So basically this one, and then you can duplicate it and then you follow the guides. And the idea is that if you're using the free version of Replit, you can just click the schedule and then automatically it will run for you. So in my case, because I'm using the paid plan, so I can actually select deploy and then select schedule, set up a deployment, and then depends on how often I want to run this. For now, personally for me, I just run this on a daily basis, just once per day. So yeah, let me know how you find these type of videos and how difficult it is for you to set up. Based on your feedback, I might do a more in-depth videos. But for now, I hope you like what you're seeing, and please subscribe if it helps you. Thank you very much.